All BMW models have hood struts. Over time, they wear out. Eventually, they get damaged. Today, I'll show you how to replace the BMW hood strut. Before replacing, find a long rod to support the hood, to prevent it from falling and injuring someone. Prepare a screwdriver. Insert into the slot. Pry with the screwdriver to remove it. The installation is even easier. Align the hole with the pin and press. It will snap in with a single press. The other side is the same. Replacing the BMW boot strut is that simple.